Hi guys, hello, how are you? Hope you've been good. This is another swallow I would like to share with you. It is pounded yam. This is not the one you peel the yam and you make. This is Poundo Yam. So before I start, I would like to introduce myself. Stay tuned. Hello guys, like I said earlier on, we are making Poundo Yam, even though we call it pounded yam. There are two different types of pounded yam. The one where you have your yam, the actual yam tuber you peeled and you pound in the mortar. But this very one is Poundo Yam, which is the I don't know if to call it the artificial one, but it is a yam. It is yam that has been processed, and we just make it this way. So it's Poundo Yam. So the difference is pounded yam because you pound it in the mortar, and Poundo Yam, which is this one where you make in the pot. So like you seen, you get your hot water ready and you put the flour in it. Then you have to mix it properly in order to avoid lumps. So it's a bit of arm exercise, but it's actually very yummy when you make it right, especially when you mash it up with sauce like egusi or black soup or okra soup. So they go very well with those soup for me. I love poundo yam with egusi or with black soup or with okra soup. They're so yummy. So you make sure you have to mix very well so that it can be very fluffy. So it's a bit of ham exercise. Make sure you have strong hams to be able to do this. So you keep mixing it very, very well to avoid lumps and so that it can be as fluffy as you want. I'm adding more water at this point. I'm going to make some punches all in it. After the hole, then I'm going to cover it and I'm going to leave it to cook for like 7-10 minutes. You have to make sure it's well cooked to avoid running stomach. So punch it. Once it's punched, I leave it to cook. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. That's done. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for like 7-10 minutes. Once it's 7 minutes, I'm going to start gently to mix it up so that the whole thing will ferment, the water will absorb it properly into the yam. Gently, slowly till you go around it. So as you can see, then you have to mix properly. Keep mixing properly. Then you will know once it's rimed and fluffy, the texture will be different. Once you're satisfied, then you can tell from the look of it, you can see it's different from when I started. So you have to mix at this point till you're satisfied content to, oh, is it fluffy enough for me to dish it? It depends on your satisfaction, but make sure it's fluffy. That way, once it's very, very fluffy, that way you're going to enjoy it. At this point, you can turn the heat down to, from the scale of 1 to 10, you can leave it on 4 at this point. So I'm tasting in order to be sure if it's well done for me and to feel the fluffiness of it. So guys, you can see it's the look, it's completely different from when I started the second time after boiling for like 7 minutes. You can see its texture has changed. So you mix till it's very fluffy and then you can dish. Two ways to dish: you can wrap it in a nylon, or you dish directly on the plate. So if you're not eating immediately, maybe you're still going to eat few minutes, best is for you to wrap it in the nylon and just cover it with cloth. Then you can put it in your cooler or your cooler bag to keep it warm. So pounded yam is one of the swallow we eat in Nigeria. We have other ones like amala, eba, semolina. Abroad, yeah, some people eat ground rice, which the local name or the street name is gira. So this one is pounded yam. I have a video on my channel where I made amala. I think I'm going to share more of swallow that we eat with our soup in Nigeria, West Africa. So you just dish it this way, wrap it in the nylon, clean thin nylon or whatever nylon of your choice. Make sure it's neatly wrapped and well presentable. And the last one, and it's done. So it's very easy to make your pounded yam, Poundo Yam. So I said the difference in between the two. So guys, thank you for support by watching. Remember to share with your friends and family, and also please like, please, and help me to share so that my channel can grow more. I appreciate you all and I love you for your support. Take care and stay blessed. So here is my Poundo Yam with black soup. I enjoyed it. Bye bye, cha cha. See you again pretty soon. I love you. Bye.